Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to complete exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 simple equations from the old NCERT textbook. And in the previous video, I taught you how to solve an equation using transposition. In this video, we will learn about how to set up an equation and then solve using transposition. Question number 1a. Add 4 to 8 times a number. You get 60. Right? So we don't know that number. So we will write let the number be x. You can take any letter from A to Z. I've taken it as x. Now we try to form the equation first, set up an equation. So what is written? Add 4 to 8 times a number. 8 times a number means 8x. 8 times means 8 multiplied by x. For multiplication, we don't write any sign. So 8x. Add 4 to it. So we add 4 to it. And you get 60. What do we get? You get means write equal to sign. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. That's the equation which is formed. Now we will solve this using transposition. Okay, so what we'll do first, we keep 8x over here and 60 as it is. These two, this is on left hand side, this is on left hand side. What we are doing, we are changing the position of 4. We bring it on the right, we transpose it on the right side. So plus 4 becomes minus 4. 8x is equal to 60 minus 4. Okay, then we solve it. 8x, 60 minus 4 is 56. Okay. Now, we bring 8. You cannot bring 8 along with 4. First, we transpose 4 because it is alone, it is not with a variable. And then, once it becomes simplified, we transpose 8. Now 8 into x means it goes in division. Therefore, x is equal to 56 upon 8. 8 sevens are 56. So the value of x is 7. Okay. So this is how you will form the equation and solve it. Let us go to the next question. Now this involves a fractional number. So what is given over here? 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 5. 1/5 of, so again we write down let the number be we take it as y this time. Let the number be y. So 1/5 of y means you are dividing y by 5. Write it like this. 1/5 of 5. I'm showing it to you here. 1/5 of y means 1 into y will be y and upon 5. So you can directly write y upon 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives you 3. Okay, this is the equation formed. Now we solve it. Again, remember the rule, we write y upon 5 as it is. Don't try to shift to 5. First we take transpose minus 4 on that side. Now first thing is you write 3 as it is because it is on that side only. And minus 4 is transposed here and it becomes plus 4. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. So first we solve that. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now this 5 is in division. So it goes on that side, it becomes multiplication. So 7 multiplied by 5. Therefore, y is equal to 35. Okay, this is question number B. Now we see question number C. We try to solve that. Be careful while forming equations with the fractional number. If I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of a number. Now see, I'll first show you here on the left hand side. 3/4 of a number. Suppose we take the number as m. So 3/4 of a number means 3m upon 4. This becomes 3m upon 4. 3/4 of a number. Of means multiplication. So what will be the equation? Let the number be m. So we write 3/4 of a number means 3m upon 4 and add 3 to it. So add 3 means plus 3. I get 21. So this is the equation formed. Okay. Now remember the rule. What do we do first? We don't touch the numbers with the variable. First we transpose the number which is constant. So we write 3m upon 4 as it is equal to 21 as it is, and we are bringing plus 3 here, so it becomes minus 3. Okay. First we solve that. 21 minus 3 is, left hand side we write as it is, 3m upon 4 is equal to 21 minus 3 is 18. Right? Now in the previous video, I taught you that if it's a fractional number, you can transpose it together by writing its reciprocal. So what we will do, 3 upon 4, reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. So first thing is we write m as it is on the left hand side, 18 as it is on the right hand side, because we are not changing their position. What we are changing is we are bringing 3 upon 4 on this side, and when we bring it on the other side, when we transpose it, 3 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 3. We write its reciprocal. Or if you bring 1 by 1, then also 4 is in division, it comes in multiplication. 3 is in multiplication, it comes in division. So you'll get the same thing. But this makes your work easier. You will not get confused. Now you can strike off 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. Right? So you get the value of m as 6 4s are 24. Clear? This is C. Question number D. When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. So let the number be we take it as A this time. Let the number be A. So what are we doing? We are, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number. Now this is an important word. From. Right? So twice a number means 2A minus 11. Don't write 11 minus 2A. That will be wrong. Here, this is a very common mistake which children do. Wherever it is from, the number or the term after it should come first. So 2A, twice of a number, minus 11, the result is 15. So here, forming this equation is very important. So because you need to take care of this from. Then we use the transposition. So we take 11 on the other side. Minus 1, 11, 15 plus 11. Minus 11 becomes plus 11. Therefore, 2A is equal to 15 plus 11 is 26. Okay. Now, 2A means 2 multiplied by A. So, it goes in division. So, 26 divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 13. Clear? So, here what you need to take care is of the word from. Okay. Wherever there is subtraction, this care you need to take. Now question number F. Ela thinks of a number if she adds 19 to it. So let the number be L. Since Ela is thinking, let it be L. Okay, you can write your own first letter of your name, that alphabet. So L, Ela thinks of a number L if she adds 19 to it. Now this is again different, a little different. And divides the sum by 5. Divides the sum by 5 means whole upon 5. Okay. L, this is L, L plus 19 and she will get 8. This is the equation. I'll read it again and explain you again. Ela thinks of a number if she adds 19 to it, so number plus 19, and divides the sum by 5. So you need to write whole upon 5. You will not write 19 upon 5. Okay. Now we write L plus 19 as it is. 5 is in division. It goes on the other side. It becomes multiplication. Okay. So 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So L plus 19 is equal to 40. Therefore, L is equal to 40 minus 19. Plus 19 when it comes on the other, when it is transposed, it becomes minus 19. And the answer is 21. So the number which Ela thought was 21. Question number 1G. Anwar thinks of a number, and if he takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number, okay, the result is 23. So let the number be A. So 5 upon 2 of the number means, now you would have understood 5 upon 2 means 5A upon 2. And he takes away 7 from this. Again, take care, don't write 7 first. The result is 23. Now what do? We first write 5A upon 2 as it is, and we transpose 7. So minus 7 becomes plus 7. We are bringing it on the right side. Okay, first always write the number which is there already, 23. I keep repeating the same things again and again so that you take care. So 23 plus 7 is 30, right? Now, what do? We take 5 upon 2, which is a fractional number on the other side. So what will happen? 5 upon 2, we write its reciprocal. We write A as on the left hand side. We are taking 5 upon 2 together. We are transposing 30. We write as it is. 5 upon 2, its reciprocal is 2 upon 5. Okay. Now we can just strike off 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. Therefore, value of A is 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12. Right? So the answer is 12. Question number 2. Solve the following. The teacher tells the class the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Means twice the lowest mark plus 7 when you do, you get the highest score, which is 87. And the question is find the lowest score. So whatever is asked, we suppose it. Let the lowest score be X. So how will we form the equation? Twice the lowest marks plus 7. Twice the lowest marks means 2x plus 7. If we do that, we get the highest score, which is 87. Right? Once the equation is formed, then it's easy for you to solve. So I'll just show you. 2x, the number with the variable remains as it is. 87 as it is, because we are not changing their sides. What we are doing, we are bringing 7 over here. So plus 7, when we transpose, it becomes minus 7. Therefore, 2x is equal to 80. 87 minus 7 is 80. Therefore, x is equal to 80 divided by 2. 2x means multiplication, so it becomes division. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. So the lowest score is 40. You can even cross check that the highest score was double plus 7. So 40 double is 80 plus 7. So you get that 87. Right? So this way you can cross check your answers too. Now this is again a very important question. Question number B. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal and the vertex is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? So I'll just first draw a simple triangle. We can insert a shape. So we take this triangle, it is almost like an isosceles triangle. So these are the base angles. And this is the vertex angle, which is given as 40 degree. Okay. Now what, it is an isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angles will also be equal. Right? So this is 40 and these two angles will be same. The base angles are same. So this basics should be clear with you. Also there is a hint given, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, that also you need to remember. So what do we do? What are the base angles? That's the question. So we take let the base angles be x degrees. Right? So if this one is x degree, this will also be x degree because both are equal. It's an isosceles triangle. And sum of all the angles is 180. Right? So according to angle sum property, angle x plus 40 will be equal to 180 degree. Right? Now x plus x, we are adding, this is 1 plus 1 you can see. So it becomes 2x. Plus 40 gives you 180. First we have just simplified the expression. Now we take 40, we transpose it. 180, it is plus 40. So it becomes minus 40. Okay. So 180 minus 40 gives you 2x. You write as it is till we keep solving this side. So that is 140 degree. Now 2x means multiplication. When we transpose, it becomes division. So 140 divided by 2 is x is equal to 70 degree. Right? So both the base angles would be 70 degree each. So we can write the statement over here. Base angles are 70 degree each. Clear? Now we see one more question. So I have tried to explain different types of questions in this two videos for chapter number 4, simple equations. Others you try yourself. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment box. So now let us see the last question for this video. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, their runs fell too short of a double century. First of all, what is a century? 100. Double century means 200. And too short means too less than 200. So that is equal to 198. Okay. You should be able to break the sentences into parts in order to make the equation. So what is given here? Sachin has scored twice as many as runs as Rahul. So we will let the Rahul's score be y. Okay, we take it as y. So Sachin's score would be twice. You can write it as twice as many as Rahul, he said. So if he has scored y, Sachin has scored 2y. And together means if we add both of them, y plus 2y. How much they have scored? Too short of a double century. Double century means 200. We can write like this, 200 minus 2 in order to understand. Or you can even write directly 198. So y plus 2y becomes 3y. Okay. and 200 minus 2 is 198. Now when we divide 198 by 3, what do we get? The value of y, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So what is Rahul's score is 66. Rahul's score is 66. This is Rahul's score. Now Sachin scored twice. So Sachin's score is 2y. Now we know the value of y, so we can put that value 2 into 66. That gives you 132. So Sachin scored 132 runs and Rahul scored 66 runs. You can add and check. 132 plus 66 will give you 198, which is too short of double century. Right? So this is how you will frame equations and then solve them. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I will get back to you. Thank you.